I was a former airline pilot, and one of the things I understand about aviation is that you need to get GPS signal inside the hangar in order to test the avionics. So about 2 years ago, we started a new company, a sister company called Konecta GPS. And the purpose of that is we work with the military, the airlines, and a lot of MROs, which is maintenance repair operation, to get that signal inside of the facility. We also do MRSAT and SAT, which is basically satellite communications, so Iridium and MRSAT for wide body. So the interesting thing is, some of these hangars are 100 by 200 square feet, but the wide body hangars can be 100,000 square feet. So we have a solution for a wide range of different sizes and types. Do 2 projects a week on average. There's a demand out there to solve both the SATCOM, the GPS, and the cellular solution. We've done a wide variety of clients, from airlines, major airlines, to the discount carriers. We also do, again, the maintenance and repair operators, the fixed base operators, FBOs. Anywhere that aircraft maintenance is done, most often it's the avionics that need the signal for the GPS. The nice thing is we can add the cell phone signal as that's blocked as well. What we found is that if the GPS signal is blocked, if the satellite communication signal is blocked, the cell phone signal is going to be blocked as well. Inside that hangar, there's typically an office where the avionics technicians work, where other maintenance personnel work, and they need to have cell phone coverage in those areas. That's why we brought in Cel-Fi Go, Cel-Fi Quattro, because we're able to cover those spaces where they need cellular coverage. Oftentimes it's not the entire hangar, but more of the office area. Sometimes it is, it just depends on their needs. Well, GPS Live Inside is very, very similar to a cellular solution in that you have a donor antenna on the roof, you bring that into a GPS amplifier, and then spread that signal out with an antenna. Project, when we do both, it's great for us and the customer as well, because we get economies of labor, so we can simultaneously pull some cable. On an average project, it's going to take 3 days to put cellular and GPS inside the hangar. If it's a wide body hangar, for example, where we're covering 100,000 square feet, that project could take up to 2 weeks. I would say 7 business days on average. The client feedback has been exceptional. When they find out that they don't have to push back the aircraft just to get a signal to test the avionics, it's a huge deal for them. We worked with a major airline, and they told us when they push a wide body aircraft back, and trust me, airlines know the numbers, they said it costs on average $1,000 every time they have to push it back, because you have a lot of people that you have to bring in the crew, you have an auxiliary power unit you have to hook up, you have a lot of people, and if you happen to scrape an aircraft, that can be very expensive as well. So the return on investment is very, very short when you factor all of those things in. Some of these aircraft are pushed in and out, several times a week.